Hey guys, I am here with an updated hair care straightening routine. My wash day was today, so I decided to go ahead and film it because I've been getting some requests for an updated sort of straightening routine. So I decided to go ahead and give that to you guys in this video. Let's just go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, so today was my wash day. I went ahead and straightened my hair and I went through the whole process with you guys. The only thing I didn't show you was the beginning steps. I did not do a pre-shampoo treatment today. I normally do either use my oil from Sienna Naturals or I will use the Olaplex number 0 sort of treatment as a pre-shampoo treatment. I didn't do that today. I just went straight into the shower and started with shampooing my hair, which I used the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Shampoo. This is something I've been loving lately because my hair has been feeling a little bit drier. So I love this moisturizing shampoo. I'm not too picky when it comes to shampoos. This was a gift from my best friend, so I have been loving it. It's something that's pretty expensive. I don't really spend a ton of money on regular shampoos and conditioners. I tend to put my money into deep conditioners and treatments and tools and things like that, but this is something that I have really been loving, and now I'm kind of second guessing that I might be having to repurchase this bad boy once I'm done with it because I absolutely love it. It's hydrating, but it really gives you a good lather. It doesn't make your hair feel stripped or anything like that. So I went ahead and used that, and when I use this I also use my Briogeo scalp massager just to really go ahead and get any product buildup off of my scalp and to stimulate my scalp. So I went ahead and shampooed my hair. After I shampooed my hair, I wanted to try this brand new product to me, which is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair MegaStrength Rice Water Protein and Moisture Strengthening Treatment. So this is a new product in my little hair care collection, and this is the one that has like the two different sort of phases that come out. It has a nozzle with two little holes, and this is supposed to be really good. It has great reviews and I really do like it. My hair looks super duper shiny. It feels strong, but it doesn't feel weighed down. So I really like this treatment. This treatment you're supposed to use right after shampooing your hair. You get rid of the excess water in your hair, and then you go ahead and you put this all throughout your hair. You leave it on for 10 minutes and then you go on with the rest of your hair care routine in the shower. So I did that. I washed my hair with the Briogeo shampoo, and then I used this new treatment that I am loving. I used this all over my hair, left it on, did whatever I needed to do, shaved my legs, stuff like that in the shower, you know, exfoliation, things like that. And then I moved on to a deep conditioner. My hair felt so good that I just went ahead and didn't use a regular conditioner, which I normally do. I went ahead with my wide tooth comb, detangled my hair while this product was still in. I detangled it really lightly. It was super easy. A ton of hair didn't come out. And then I went ahead with my deep conditioner, rinsed it out, that product, and then I went ahead with my deep conditioner, which today was the Sienna Naturals Plant Power Protein and Moisture Repair deep conditioner. So I went ahead with that, put that on for a few minutes and rinsed it out, got out of the shower and headed on to my hair care routine, which I will now get into. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you have any questions down below in a comment. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so I am out of the shower. My hair is just in this hair towel. I got this hair towel during the last Nordstrom anniversary sale. They had like a 2-for-1 kind of deal. It's really big and I really like it. I have a couple hair towels that I love and use, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my products in my hair. So this is what my hair looks like just freshly out of the shower. The first thing I'm going to use is the Briogeo Scalp Revival. This is one of my holy grail scalp treatments, and I really love it. I'm going to go ahead and just run that through my scalp. This really helps if you have irritation on your scalp, you suffer from like a dry, flaky scalp. It's supposed to really help with hydration and soothing your scalp as tea tree witch hazel. So if you have a inflamed scalp, this is really good. I like to use this also when I have braids in my hair and my hair My scalp's getting a little bit irritated. It just feels so good and it works so well. And I have a couple bottles of that on backup. Alright, so that's in. The next product I'm going to use is a leave-in. The one that I'm going to use today is one that I haven't used in a little bit, so I pulled it back out. This is the Miriam Quevedo Extreme Caviar hair serum. You need the tiniest little bit of this. It is very expensive, but you need a tiny little bit. I'm going to go ahead and use that as my little leave-in. The last product that I'm going to use is the Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. This is like a anti-humidity, anti-frizz spray. It's like a sealant for your hair. You don't need a lot. You don't want to use a lot because your hair can get weighed down, but I really love that. Now I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off so I can blow dry it in sections. I like to do 4 sections, and then within those 4 sections I break each section down into 2. So basically I blow dry 8 sections of my hair. Alright guys, so I changed into a regular shirt because I was scared with the robe that I don't know, it'll be a little bit too revealing. So I go ahead and I changed into a shirt and my hair is all sectioned off. I'm gonna go ahead and start blow drying my hair. I use my Dyson blow dryer and I use the comb attachment. When you use the Color Wow product, it's really important that you use tension on your hair so that it works. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'm going to blow dry my hair. Blow dry my hair with the Dyson literally takes about, I have a lot of hair, about 15-20 minutes. It really cuts down on my blow drying process. It also helps to straighten it so that when I am also flat ironing after, it doesn't take as many passes to get my hair nice and sleek. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'm not going to annoy you with the sound of a blow dryer. Even though the Dyson is not very loud, I'm not going to annoy you with that sound. I'm going to go ahead and speed through this process. It's not really anything fancy. I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry the hair yeah, and then I'll come back and show you how I flat iron my hair. Just like that, I'm done with that section. You can see just with the blow dryer, my hair is super already looking pretty sleek and straight. So yeah, I love this blow dryer. It works so well in combination with the products that I use. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of this hair. Alright guys, my hair is fully blow dried. So you can see just with the blow dryer how straight it gets. It's really sleek. I really like the way that it feels. Okay, Briogeo. We may have a new favorite product on our hands. We'll see. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and section off my hair so that I can flat iron it. When I flat iron my hair, what I do is do basically like 3 sections. I do my whole back section and then I do 2 front sections. And it's just the way that I prefer to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and just section off my hair again. Just makes it easier, more manageable for me. And also, I get really hot when I do my hair, so I like my hair to be out of the way. I get very hot. I'm gonna go ahead and Start with my first section. I have already heated up my flat iron. Alright, first section, flat iron. I'll keep it on the edge over here. Let's see. It's hard to do because I normally do it in front of a mirror, but let's see. Okay. I like to kind of get through this pretty quickly, so I'll just go section by section. I don't do really small sections. Like my hair, again, my hair is pretty straight already, and I don't like for my hair to look flat. So I do pretty big sections, if I'm being honest. If you like a very sleek look, you're just gonna work in very small sections, and you're gonna get a really pin straight sleek look. But I like a sleek look, but I like body to my hair, so I'm really only doing this to kind of smooth out the hair a bit more, but I don't want it to be like stick straight and flat. I just kind of want to smooth that cuticle. Okay, I'm going to speed through the rest and put on my true crime YouTube videos, and I'll be right back. Take a little bit of the TIGI bedhead wax. This is like a hair wax, a hair stick. Yes, a hair wax. I like to go ahead and put a little on my part and a little on the edges of my hair. And I like to go ahead and just there, in those small parts, I like to go ahead and flat iron the hair there. And this is just another extra step that kind of just gives me that smoother, sleeker look. Be careful because flat iron is hot. Okay, I'm gonna turn my flat iron off, let it cool down. The last step is to take a little bit of my hair serum. This I randomly got at Dominican hair salon years ago. This is just a nice little hair serum. It's like an oil-based hair serum, Sublime Semi Delino. It's by Alpha Parf Milano. I don't know if you can only get this at hair salons, but any little hair oil, hair serum will work. You can use your Moroccan oil. You can use any light hair oil, like a finishing. It's sort of like what I use to finish off my hair, especially on the ends. And yeah, it is all done. I'm gonna go ahead now. As soon as I do my hair, I like to wrap it, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I have a video on how I wrap my hair, but I'll just quickly do it now. Alright guys, so that's my hair all wrapped up and done and ready for the week. Oh, I feel so nice to have my hair done and freshly washed and clean. My scalp feels really good. My hair feels really good. Yeah, I am loving that new Briogeo product that I use, and highly recommend it. My hair doesn't feel weighed down. And so yeah, I've been getting so many requests on just a quick updated hair routine and hair straightening routine, so I wanted to go ahead and film that for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My hair is looking really shiny. It feels super lightweight, so I think that product is definitely a winner. Again, please don't forget to give me a like, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.